Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 components, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 components, start by opening the Windows menu. Type Control Panel in the search bar and select it from the results. Once the control panel is open, click on Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, locate Microsoft Visual Studio. A new window will open, prompting you to choose whether to modify or uninstall. Select the Uninstall option. Click Next to proceed with the uninstallation process. The Visual Studio installer will launch, displaying the installed components. Choose the components you wish to uninstall by checking the corresponding boxes. After making your selections, click the Uninstall button to remove the components. Wait for the process to complete, as it may take several minutes. Once the uninstallation is finished, you will see a confirmation message. You can now close the Visual Studio installer window. If you want to remove Visual Studio completely, go back to the Programs and Features window. Repeat the process to uninstall any remaining Visual Studio components or related tools. After uninstalling, consider checking for any leftover files. Navigate to the installation directory, usually found in C:\program files or C:\program files, x86. Finally, restart your computer to apply all changes effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.